If you're trying to figure out how to access multiplayer in Forza Horizon 6, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can get online and start joining races, including spec racing and drift events. Whether you're new to the game or just can't find the multiplayer menu, this will make it simple. And before we jump in, if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy game tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, pause your game to open the pause menu. From there, look for the online tab. This is where all of the multiplayer features are located, so if you've been searching through the menus, this is the one you want to open. Once you're in the online tab, click on Horizon Play. This is the section that gives you access to the online side of the game. Inside Horizon Play, you'll see different multiplayer options and race types available to you. Here, you can join online races, including spec racing and drift, depending on what kind of multiplayer experience you want. If you want competitive racing with set vehicles, spec racing is a great choice. If you prefer controlling your car and sliding, skill-based events, drift is the mode to pick. Just select the event you want, confirm your choice, and the game will connect you to the online session. If you don't see the options right away, double check that you're connected to the internet and signed into your game account properly, because multiplayer features won't load without an active online connection. Once everything is set, you'll be able to jump into multiplayer and start racing with other players. So that's how to access multiplayer in Forza Horizon 6 through the pause menu, the online tab, and Horizon Play. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more quick Forza Horizon guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.